Haven Lighting's X-Series Evolution linear lighting is a modern-day take on classic roofline lighting for both commercial and residential properties. X-Series Evolution transforms your roofline into an eye-catching visual statement. It can function as either a solid bar of color with a vibrant glow that's impossible to ignore, or you can utilize stunning motion effects that are endlessly customizable. X-Series gives you both the option to create your own effects from scratch, or you can utilize the store within the X-Series app, which lets you browse and instantly download pre-made effects to your X-Series system. From smooth transitions to bold animations, the pre-designed effects bring your property to life and make decorating for holidays and special events a breeze. Another great feature is Game Day mode. With Haven Lighting's Game Day technology, your X-Series lights will automatically react in real time to every game-winning play, major moment, and thrilling touchdown. And it gets even better. X-Series integrates perfectly with Haven's industry-leading full-color landscape lighting, allowing you to illuminate not just your roofline, but your entire property. This allows you to create a cohesive, breathtaking design that elevates your property to new heights. And the best part? X-Series will keep getting better. We'll continue adding features and improving the system over time. All upgrades are automatic, and there are never any upcharges. X-Series is changing the game in permanent roofline lighting. Contact us today to request a quote or for more information.